Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today on 13th July 2024 TET exam held. So we are going to discuss TET medical exam, and in this video I'll be discussing the biology section. So ये सीरीज़ बी है, आप क्वेश्चंस मैच करके आंसर देख लीजिएगा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मेंटेनिंग रेड डाटा बुक इज. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. So A will be the correct option here. Next is double fertilization results in the production of. So correct answer is triploid nucleus. Option C will be the correct one here. Next is in 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy took place as methyl isocyanate reacted with water. So its correct option is A, that is H2O. Next question is मैच द आइटम्स इन कॉलम 1 एंड कॉलम 2 एंड फाइंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो यहाँ पर जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है यूवी का आपका करेक्ट आंसर है स्नो ब्लाइंडनेस, दैट इज़ ए का 3. बायोडिग्रेडेबल का है BOD, दैट इज़ बी का 4. सी DDT का है आपका फर्स्ट, दैट इज़ बायोमैग्निफिकेशन, एंड डी का है आपका सेकेंड, दैट इज़ यूट्रोफिकेशन. सो हेयर A 3, B 4th, C first and D second. So here C will be the correct option here. Next is anemophila is pollination by wind will be the correct option, option D. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच द फॉलोइंग अगेन. सो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड आपको पता है कि हमारा ग्रोथ हार्मोन होता है. स्टमक का आपका पता है कि रिलीज ऑफ एसिड विल बी देयर, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड यहाँ पर रिलीज होता है. लीवर का यू नो दैट बाइल सिक्रेशन होती है. सो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का यू नो दैट कि एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ डाइजेस्टेड फूड यहाँ पर होता है, एंड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का स्टोरेज ऑफ अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड होता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ए का 3, बी का 5, सी का फर्स्ट, डी का 4th एंड ई का सेकेंड. सो डी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर. Next question is which kingdom includes unicellular eukaryotic organisms? So Protista will be the correct option, option A. Next question is which of the following disease is not caused by bacteria? Kala Azar, C will be the correct option here. Next is who discovered recombinant DNA technology? So S. Cohen and H. Boyer. C will be the correct option here. 70th question is xerophytic plant in which the stem is modified into a flat green succulent structure is Opuntia. C will be the correct option. Next question is Environmental Protection Act was passed in 1986. A will be the correct option. World Biodiversity Day is celebrated on 22nd May. C will be the correct option. 73rd question is metabolic pathway of which of the following organism is blocked by use of antibiotics? So bacteria. C will be the correct option here. Next is which among the following is a gaseous plant hormone? So ethylene. A will be the correct option. What are the male and the female chromosome in birds? So ZW and ZZ. C will be the correct option. Capital T into capital T small t into small t is a test cross. C will be the correct option. Next question, TCA cycle is named after Hans Krebs. So Hans Krebs will be the correct option, B. Next is protein digestion starts in stomach. C will be the correct option. 79th question is which of the following vitamin is manufactured in human liver? Vitamin D. Next is on maturing ovary changes into seed. So fruit will be the correct option, option D. Next is starfish, sea cucumber, sea urchin are and feather star are included in phylum Echinodermatas. D will be the correct option. After heavy exercise we get cramps in legs. It is due to the deposition of lactic acid. B will be the correct option. Person having genotype IA, IB would show the blood groups AB. This is because of the phenomenon codominance. B will be the correct option. Next question is viral test is used for the diagnosis of which disease? So correct option is typhoid. C will be the correct option. Next is endoplasmic reticulum works for the synthesis of proteins. So B will be the correct option. The core metal in chlorophyll is magnesium. D will be the correct option. Which of the following organelle does not have cell membrane? Ribosome. A will be the correct option. 88th question is process by which tadpole larva changes into adult is metamorphosis. B will be the correct option. Green muffler is used against which type of pollution? Noise will be the correct option, option D. Which of the following is not a waterborne disease? Typhoid will be the correct option, option D. Next question is ornithine cycle is concerned with formation of urea. B will be the correct option here. Next question is the site of glycolysis is cytoplasm. A will be the correct option. 93rd question is during hibernation frog respires through integuments. C will be the correct option. Next question is apparatus used to measure the blood pressure is sphygmomanometer. C will be the correct option. 95th question is Which hormone is secreted in a woman if pregnancy occurs? So SCG, HCG. D will be the correct option. Which of the following is protein in nature? Silk and wool. D will be the correct option. Streptomycin is an antibiotic. A will be the correct option. Which of the following bases not present in DNA? Uracil will be the correct option. Next question is, cancer cells are more easily damaged by radiations than normal cell because these are undergoing rapid division. D will be the correct option. The scientific process by which crop plants are enriched with certain nutrients is called biofortification. C will be the correct option. The term totipotency refers to the capacity of a cell to generate a whole plant. A will be the correct option. Who discovered blood circulation? William Harvey. C will be the correct option. X chromosomes are a little longer than Y chromosomes. B will be the correct option. The primary acceptor of CO2 in C4 cycle of photosynthesis is PEP. B will be the correct option. Next question, which of the following is the most important component of oral contraceptive pills? So progesterone. A will be the correct option. Which of the following is a pollution indicator? Lichen. C will be the correct option. In an adult human, how many bones are there in 1 year? 3 will be the correct option. Option A. Which biomolecule is known as respiratory pigment? Hemoglobin will be the correct option. Option B. Next question, valve present between the left atrium and left ventricle is mitral valve. So A will be the correct option. Coprophagy is associated with, so correct option is C, rabbit, जिसमें अपने ही फेसेस को जो है rabbit eat करता है. Next is the blood leaving the lungs is richer in oxygen. C will be the correct option. Which of the following vitamin is soluble in water? So vitamin B and C both. So here D will be the correct option. Next question, what is a cell coded protein formed in response to infection with most animal virus caught? So interferon, D will be the correct option. Poison glands of snake are modified parotid gland. C will be the correct option. Membrane bounded organelle are more than one chromosomes are present in what type of cell? Eukaryotic cells. B will be the correct option. Next question, which of the following is a connective tissue? So bone, blood and cartilage, all of the above will be the correct option. Option D. Elements present in nucleic acid are, so यहाँ पर जो correct option है that is आपका D है, जिसमें आपका कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन एंड फॉस्फोरस सारे ही आते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ मेनी माइटोटिक डिविजन्स द सेल अंडरगोज टू फॉर्म 256 सेल्स? सो 8 विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ऑप्शन डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, मैच द फॉलोइंग वाला क्वेश्चन है अगेन. तो यहाँ पे जो आपका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, ए का 4, हेड का आपका आएगा जेनेटिक मटीरियल, और फिर आपका मिडिल पीस का आएगा यहाँ पर एनर्जी, सी का आएगा आपका एक्रोसोम का एंजाइम्स, एंड डी टेल का आएगा आपका sperm motility. So here A4, B third, C first and D second. B will be the correct option. Which of the following is a method of birth control? So IUDs. So यहाँ पर D will be the correct option. So this is all about the biology portion. I'll be uploading the next other sections videos also. So if this video really helped you, then don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. Keep supporting, keep motivating. Thank you.